Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to easily download someone's Instagram story on your PC or laptops. Let's begin. First, go and open your favorite browser, go to instagram.com, and once you have successfully logged into your account, I want you to focus on the left panel, click on Explore, and then choose that profile you would like to download the story. For example, I'm just going to choose any random reels in here, or you could just easily click on the search bar, look for that particular person or friend. For example, I'm going to click on this reel, click on their profile. I'm going to pause this and then double click over here to copy the link. Right click on it, choose copy, and then open a new tab. Look for Instagram Story Saver. What we're looking at is storysaver.net. Click on it. Then once you are inside the website, okay, all you have to do is simply paste the link over here and then click on download. It will show the profile, the link, and the video. So click save as video, or you can click on the three dots over here and choose download. That's it. You can now easily download any Instagram story using this method. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.